If you're looking to get into mountaineering with very little experience, our Intro to Mountaineering course is the way to go. You get to learn everything from the basics of how to camp in the snow or on alpine terrain, to rock and snow anchors, to crevasse rescue, some ice climbing, a little snow safety. So that whole package really, built together. And at the end of those courses, we like to try to tag some smaller nearby peak to really put the skills to use. If you've had the opportunity to get a little mountaineering under your belt and maybe you've had an attempt on one of the iconic peaks in the lower 48, a Mount Bona or a Mount Blackbird, it's a great opportunity depending on your experience level to come up here and show Alaska what you got and stand on top of one of the tallest peaks in North America.